I will show you how to send money to a client within the Deriv ecosystem. So this only works if you are a Deriv Payment Agent and you have been pre-approved by Deriv to process some of their deposits and their withdrawals. So in this instance, I need to demonstrate a method when you are a payment agent and you need to send money to a client. So if you are a Deriv partner, this information you're going to see it within your partner account, and you may see something differently from the account that I have. So let me explain first of all the difference between these two, the Deriv partner and then the Deriv payment agent. So the Deriv partner is more like a Deriv affiliate. You are the Deriv affiliate. You are recommending people to trade on Deriv. However, you can actually sign up to do that for free on the Deriv platform. I'm going to add the resources in the description to become a Deriv affiliate, and then you can start promoting the platform. And then in order for you to become a payment agent, you also need to have applied and be pre-approved, in fact. In my case, I do have both. So in this case, we are going to be focusing just on the payment agent, and I need to send someone some money. So I'm going to click on the payment agent. So how it works in the system of a payment agent. So some of you who are just getting started may want to know, what is a payment agent and what do they really do? What do they represent for? Okay, and how best can they help you? So one thing that I want you to understand is that you need to understand that on Deriv, there are many ways of depositing into your account. Okay, there are many ways of depositing into your account. One of them is using a bank transfer. Depending on the country that you are in, you can actually use a bank transfer to transfer money into your trading account for Deriv. You can actually use a bank card to transfer money. However, in some instances, you may need to work with a payment agent, and payment agents, these are individuals or companies that are pre-approved, that are approved by Deriv for them to operate as a payment agent. How they work different from one person to another. Okay, they work differently. They do charge a commission for the service that they're actually doing, so you need to actually speak to them. So what they do is that they say, if you need to deposit, let's say $10, okay, give me $11 and then I'll do the deposit for you. So it depends on your agreement. You give them the money and then you transfer, and then the agent is going to transfer the money. So in my case, I am an agent myself, and what I'm going to show you is what I do in order for me to transfer money. So I'm given what is known as a nickname by the client. This is a person who has just maybe opened a new account, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the nickname here. So once I paste the nickname here, I'm going to enter the amount of money that I need to send to this person, and I need to make sure that I do have a balance in my account that is enough to send the money. However, a lot of people struggle with getting the nickname. They don't know where to get this nickname. I've done a separate video on my channel on where to get the nickname, and please do go ahead and look at that video so that you know where to get this nickname. And then all I have to do is to write a note, and then this is optional. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on review, and then there is a pop-up message that comes up that says review transfer. You need to send money to this. So make sure that you have the username that is correct for the client that you need to send money to, and then you just click on confirm transfer, and then in just a click of a button, the transfer has been made. So if I'm going to ask this person who I've just done the transfer to, they're going to see the balance in their account. And then here I'm just going to click on make another transaction. So again, you can see my balance now is actually gone down with $10 that I've just sent to this person. However, if I'm going to make a mistake of the username here, let me just type in a random username. You are going to see that if I try and make the transfer, probably this is not going through. I'm going to get an error which is called we couldn't find the client nickname. Please check the nickname and try again. So you need to make sure that this is correct, and this is a very unique approach to send to people. So the nicknames, they are not the same. So with that said, that's how you do the transfer to clients if you are a payment agent. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them in the comment section. And bye for now.